It's a 2015 BMW M3, replacing the injector on number 6. I know some people were online were doing this and they were just bending the injector lines out of the way so they didn't have to remove the rail. But if you're already replacing the one in the back, all these braces have to come off anyways. And kind of funny, if you look at replacing the injector harness, it tells you to set this to the side, but if you look at replacing injectors, it says to remove this completely. So I'm not sure why it says that, but you can actually just set this to the side like this and you can still get the fuel rail out. It's pretty easy. And if you're replacing these anyways, the pipe's got to come out and everything, so this is already be off. So you just take it loose here, this stays on bolted to it, and then it'll pop out of the bottom, and then you pull this off to the side, and then you can unbolt the fuel rail, unbolt all your lines, unbolt these lines here. And what will happen is, if you try to pull it right up, you're going to hit this nub right here. So what you need to do is just grab the lines and get them loose from the injectors, pull it up and tilt your line back, and then you can move this and get it past that just a little bit, and then you can slide it out and up that way. So loose from the injectors, tilt it up till it's off all the injectors, slide it down and pull it out. Easy as that. You do not have to bend your injector lines out of the way at all. It's very easy to just set that to the side. Don't damage your lines.